Blessings for the Earth. Celebrate, protect, and give thanks. By Pierre Pradervand, author of the book, 365 Blessings to Heal Myself and the World. The incredible beauty of nature defies the wildest imagination. From the perfection of a tiny alpine flower no one will ever even see, to the splendor of a star-studded summer's night, through the intricate beauty of a seashell, to the breathtaking harmony of a spider's web, all this grandiose symphony has been laid out for our pure enjoyment. Mistress of the universe, we bless you for the incredible perfection and splendor of the spectacle you have created, for our constant rejoicing. For the sheer miracle of a substance as mysterious and omnipresent as water, to the rugged beauty of a mountain range, for the amazing functioning of living creatures and systems of all sorts that challenge our deepest knowledge, to the constantly renewed abundance of your goodness expressed in the produce of the earth and seas, including the unbelievable variety and wisdom of the animal kingdom we have barely begun to grasp, we bless you. In front of the utter perfection and symmetry of every single flower, seashell, plant, crystalline rock, we stand in awe and bless you. For the century-old sequoia or oak trees in their majesty which sprang from a tiny grain or acorn to the rolling of the galaxies. For the magic of microbes and all other microorganisms to the silent communication systems between plants and between animals and plants. We bless the incredible intelligence that runs this phenomenal show called the universe and fall on our knees in utter awe. Thank you for including us for our sheer enjoyment in this grandiose spectacle, the reason of which is beyond anything we could ever imagine. And finally, may we be reminded that we are not spectators, but actors in this happening, which is simply your boundless love expressing itself out of sheer joy daily. We are your dance of delight, your pure goodness in ecstatic motion, your holy choir. Earth, may you teach me. I have slightly amended this Native American Ute prayer and put it in the form of a blessing. It stresses the importance of the environment in our lives. Earth, may you teach me quiet, as the grasses are still with new light. Earth, may you teach me suffering, as old stones suffer with memory. Earth, may you teach me humility, as blossoms are humble with beginning. Earth, may you teach me caring, as mothers nurture their young. Earth, may you teach me courage, as the tree that stands alone. Earth, may you teach me freedom, as the eagle that soars in the sky. Earth, may you teach me acceptance, as the leaves that die each fall. Earth, may you teach me renewal, as the seed that rises in the spring. Earth, may you teach me to forget myself, as melted snow forgets its life. Earth, may you teach me to remember kindness, as dry fields weep with rain. Blessing for Earth healers. Traditional cultures have almost always been deeply respectful of the earth and its resources. However, now, even in the West, a new race of earth healers is spreading, hopefully in time to save Mother Earth from major wounds, of which we would be the first victims. Let us support them by our blessings. We give thanks for all those who are moved, in their lives, to heal and protect the earth, in small ways and in large. Blessings on the composters, the gardeners, the breeders of worms and mushrooms, the soil builders, those who cleanse the waters and purify the air, all those who clean up the messes others have made. Blessings on those who defend trees and who plant trees, who guard the forests and who renew the forests. Blessings on those who learn to heal the grasslands and renew the streams, on those who prevent erosion, who restore the salmon and the fisheries, who guard the healing herbs, and who know the lore of the wild plants. Blessings on those who heal the cities and bring them alive again, with excitement and creativity and love. Gratitude and blessings to all who stand against greed, who risk themselves, to those who have bled and been wounded, and to those who have given their lives in service of the earth. A blessing for trees. It is important that each one of us learns to craft his or her own blessings. Below you will find some information on trees so that you may transform it into your own blessing. Personally, I do not believe there even exists a right way of blessing. What counts above all is the sincerity and intention of your blessing. You can simply bless the trees in your yard, or your county or country, or in a threatened area such as the Amazon basin, in their various functions. Trees help keep us alive. They provide the oxygen we need to breathe. Without them, our entire existence would crumble. They provide a limited but important part of how planet Earth works. They offer homes and food for many species, including food and medicine for mankind. Wood is a key element for the economy and innumerable human activities, not to mention our homes. Trees clean the soil and control air pollution. Their wood keeps us warm, they save water, prevent soil erosion, sustain climate balance, provide incredible beauty, to name just a few among innumerable services. And finally, they communicate with each other, and it now appears even with animals. So on your next forest walk, hug and bless a tree. This article was written by the author of the book, The Gentle Art of Spiritual Discernment, A Guide to Discovering Your Personal Path, by Pierre Pradervand.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to visit us at innerself.com, where new attitudes are formed for new possibilities. New articles and videos are published daily and the magazine on Sundays.